All right, so now here, this should be it's a very regular curve, so that I need to kind of have a sharper line in here, right? Kind of block it in like this, right? So you see that I'm getting to the point where there is not much more lifting to be done, in the sense that I cannot lift it anymore. It doesn't come off, right? It doesn't come off. I can try to lift as much as possible, and the fact that I lift it mechanically like this creates an interesting texture in the paper, which I kind of like it. All these little micro scratches, but all organized properly to create an interesting soft texture, right? And that will depend a lot on the type of paper that you have, because some paper is harder, some paper is softer, some paper after a while start peeling gently, some paper instead kind of falls apart, and hopefully you didn't get that type of paper. Right. So here, so as you do this, right, really start paying more and more attention to how dark and how light the various areas really should be. One problem that is typical of that create problems in terms of volumetric rendering of the figure is that the tonal scale that we create in our drawing is not sufficiently extended, and that makes your subject, your drawing, look flat, right? So by doing this, because you're not really filling in areas with a value, you're just carving out a value next to another value. So what is important is to figure out how much contrast in terms of light and shadow do I have between this area here and that area there. And you have to try to maintain that level of contrast, right? And that will extend your tonal scale. So we're approaching the point where eventually we need to get the chalk, but the white chalk. But before we do that, I really want to see if I can work in as many values as I can, like here, for example, on the corner of the eye here, at the upper eyelid, right?